Hey guys, it's Ernesto. Welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So today we're going to talk about making why, yes, why, your friend. I hope this video inspires you guys and I hope you guys enjoy the photo shoot. So with that said, let's get straight into this video. For many years, not just in photography, but in my professional life, dealing with powerful people, people that can literally with the snap of their finger take food off of my table. When they said something I didn't understand, or I may have had a different viewpoint on it, whether it's right or wrong, I was just simply afraid to ask why. Look, asking why doesn't make you weak or less informed, it makes you curious. It forces you and others to push the standards of normal. And it allows you to start getting answers, which in turn will make you much better. So you must have the courage to ask why. So ask yourself this question. So what type of photographer are you behind the camera? Are you a timid photographer too afraid to ask the subject to do something because you're afraid of the results? Afraid your subjects will look at you like you have four heads? Forget that. Push yourself to be the photographer in charge. Push yourself to be the one not afraid to make mistakes. When you pick up that camera, when I pick up that camera, regardless of your skill set, you are the one in charge. And man, if you project that confidence, your subject will follow your directions. Be decisive, be direct, be empathetic. Don't be afraid to stop and ask the question, why is it that I'm taking this image? The last thing you will want to do is take an image just to take it. Be sure the image makes sense to you and has a meaning to you and can tell a story when your viewers are looking at it. When I started in photography, I basically took throwaway images. I simply took images just to take it because I didn't know how to ask why. So guys, make why your friend. So go out there and make amazing images that mean something to you and your subjects. And I cannot stress this enough. Gear is less important. All you need is a camera, a lens on your camera, your subject, and light. Light can be natural light or artificial light. In this photo shoot that you're about to see, all I used was natural light. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So with that said, let's jump straight into it.
what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for all you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me.
Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is a little bit different than my normal videos. I just wanted to do something a little bit different just to inspire you guys. I hope it did inspire you. I hope it lit some fire under you to go out there and question everything that you're doing with respect to your image. You know, why is a very simple word, but is a very powerful word. Use it more often in your photography and it's gonna make you a much better photographer. All right guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Put some comments down below, let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends and family. And guys, if you got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and before you go, don't forget, I have my store. I launched it a couple of weeks ago now. So the link is down below if you want to check out any of my tutorials on retouching or posing. That link is down below and you will have access to all of that. All right, see you guys on the next video. Take care, bye.